The reason you can't think clearly and organize your thoughts is because you're not using AI, whether that is ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever, how you should use it. So, the AI method for organizing your thoughts is what I will be explaining in this video. The first point is most people try to organize ideas inside their head. This is a big mistake. Clear thinkers actually externalize their thinking with AI, or maybe they use AI to externalize their thinking. You have to understand, as the research shows, that your brain is built for generating ideas, not storing them. AI becomes your second brain, or maybe it becomes, a nitro boost for your second brain, where you jot down or where you give it raw ideas, unrefined ideas, and it gives you a clear, structured, with a framework thinking. Messy thinking becomes clear when it is written down and refined. And I am a big believer and a big advocate of writing things down. Maybe it's for journaling, maybe it's for a daily to do list, anything. But writing things down with your own hands is immensely beneficial. It gives you a certain kind of satisfaction. It externalizes and it crystallizes your thinking, because your thoughts, your ideas are spiritual, they're abstract. But when you write them down, you capture them, it becomes tangible and it becomes visible, and visible things are powerful things. So AI helps to structurize your raw thinking instantly. So I will share one of the prompts in the description below, where you can just copy paste that in any chat GPT or Claude. And what you can do is, later when you have some ideas for some business, for content or anything, for a blog, for a newsletter, you just uh, dictate through voice. That is usually what I do, because typing is slow, speaking is easier. I usually hold my phone near my mouth and I just go on dictating. You can use English language or any other language which is recognized by Google. It recognizes Arabic, Hindi, all those languages, Urdu as well. So when you just go on speaking and you just pour your thoughts down, and you press send, AI magically, like AI is nothing short of a miracle and a magic. So AI magically restructures that and refines into, with proper grammar, correct spellings and everything, in a listicle way. Most people start with answers, and that is the big mistake. AI forces you to start with the problem, and when you start with the problem, you concentrate your thinking, and the best thinkers also ask better questions. So AI helps you refine your questions, and I have got many prompts I have used in for my for school leadership purpose, for organizing events in my school, and general life coaching thing, for taking your life to the next level. So when you ask better questions, when you ask smart questions, you come up with smart answers, which elevates your life to the next level. The next thing is, ideas become powerful when they are organized into frameworks. AI turns scattered thoughts into clear structures that you will get to know when you use my prompt. Let me know in the comments section below, that you can reply with comments and I will give you the prompt. The next thing is, thinking improves through iteration. No one has the best ideas in the first go. Even the founder of Facebook, I heard him once say that ideas don't come fully developed. It comes like a seed, and you have to water it, you have to give it some sunshine and rain and light and everything, and then it grows into this beautiful thing. So ideas don't come fully developed, and that is where AI comes, and AI lets you refine that same idea multiple times until you have the perfect idea, which is practical, applicable, valuable, and priceless maybe. The next thing is, your brain forgets patterns between ideas. Like throughout the day, you will have so many patterns, you will have so many ideas and thoughts, but when you feed those thoughts, so maybe you first journal them down and then later you dictate them into AI, then you can see the pattern and the framework that is going on in your mind, the connections. So AI helps you connect related insights. Clarity comes from simplifying complexity. AI helps you compress ideas into simple explanations. So the real workflow is, you have an idea, you capture it, then you organize it, you refine it, and you simplify it. And AI helps you with all those four things. You just have to start the habit of using AI into your life. You have to integrate it, and you have to use the power of AI to enhance, optimize, and elevate your life. So, if you want some prompts, let me know in the comment section. I will give you it right away. Thank you.